hope all is well. Today I received something from Foxy Luxe. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox, I'm on the floor. Authentic twin items I DIY, compare bags, review on bags, plus more. I don't know what that is. And please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at ccp_luxury. So we are on the floor today because I was creating content and I figured I need to open my lovely friend Foxy Luxe's package. She's awesome. Please follow her. She has great style. For these items, if you want to ask her, I'll put all her information below where she purchased things because she has awesome taste. So let's just get started. Oh my god, I didn't mean for that to fall. Shit. And I apologize, but this is so cute. There's glitter everywhere. Note, look at all the glitter that's stuck. Hello TCP Luxury. I hope your holiday season was filled with love and happiness. I hope you enjoy the items I handpicked just for you. Stay safe. Aw, she's such a sweetheart. Foxy is a sweetheart. All her links below in the description. So, it's one of the cute, I love Hello Kitty. I mean, come on. Some of us just can't grow up, and that's me. So this is oh so cute. It's candy. So we shall just have a little taste. Why not? Ooh, some little cute Hello Kitty burgers. Open it. It's a cute little hamburger kitty. I don't know if you could see that. On. Sweet and tart. Just like me. Okay. Aww. She bought me this cute little poof pen, probably so I can do my inspections with a better pen. Poof. She got me this cute little pusheen. Oh, I got a little pusheen froggy. It's a little sour. It's a little keychain and it's so cute. Aww. All these glitter moments. I gotta vacuum. She gave me kisses. I'm trying to eat this one fast so I could just eat this one. Oh, look. Excuse me. These cute little socks. So adorable. They'd be perfect with all my pink stuff. Thank you. Oh, how cute. Park and Lame. Cute little bracelet. I think it's a bracelet. It's so adorable. There it is. It fits. Thank you, Foxy Luxe. And the star is adorable. Stickers. I love little stickers. Again, I'm a big kid. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh, she got me this cute mug. You know what's funny about this mug? I was gonna buy one at Anthropology with a little animal inside. This one's like little, I think it's a cat. It has to be a cat. But this is so cute. I'm going to use this cute little mug every morning. I love coffee. I do drink tea too, but thank you. Chocolates. Oh my god. This is so freaking cute. You know what's funny? My husband and I were just talking. Oh my god. My husband and I were talking about drinking a lot of water. We need to drink more water. And this is gonna really make me want to drink water. No, you didn't. Oh my god. I know I look stupid right now. I don't care. Oh my god. What? It says my little... That is so freaking cute, people. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking cute. It's so pretty. I didn't realize my name with a heart. You are such a lovely person. She's a lovely person. She's always been. I'm glad we met. I'm gonna definitely drink. I think we need to go to the other side on. I need to drink more water and this is perfect for me. Oh my god. I feel like I should have opened this sooner. I'm sorry, but it's just been really busy. And This weekend's been crazy because I had relatives who broke up with boyfriends and I had to be there for them because you have to be supportive. That didn't sound very loving, did it? But I am very loving. Anyway, this is, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. And, oh, it has, you've got great taste. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh my God. I would have never found this, Foxy Luxe. You are a freaking amazing girl. Like, what? How did you find this? I thought I was gonna find stuff, but you find a lot of cool stuff. I have to admit, this is freaking amazing. I probably should start off drinking my water with this every... Whoops. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I'm just, you know I'm rough, girl, you know I'm rough. But thank you so much. I totally appreciate it. I'll get it soon. Love you, girl. Foxy Luxe, you are amazing. I wish I opened this sooner because I've been using this all the time. I love it. Thank you. I'm glad we met online and we continue to grow our friendship, and one day we will just meet each other because I'm getting my vaccinations. Well, I already had the first round, so February 2nd, my second round. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful day. I talk to you soon. Bye.